All right, we're going to do a quick lesson on today's information. So the first thing you had to do on slide 2 is you had to do some estimating of, if we had 13 times 58, we're going to do some rounding on this. So 13 times 58, 13 is close to 10, just going to round to the nearest 10, and 58 is closest to 60. Then I do 1 times 6 is 6, and there were 2 zeros, so I'd add 2 zeros at the end. So that's the first one. The second one they're giving you is 44 times 47. If we're rounding these to the nearest 10, 44 is going to round down to 40 because it's 5 or more, let it score. It's less than that here. And this is 5 or more, so it's going to round up to 50. It's closer to 50 than it is to 40. Then we multiply 4 times 5 is 20, and then we add the 2 zeros that we have left over. So this one is 2,000. So that is the rounding part. So that's on slide 2. We're going to jump to slide 3, which is 46 times 28. So if they give you a problem like this, what you're doing is you're making a rectangle. You're cutting it into 4 parts. 46 is basically the same as 40 plus 6. So we're just taking the tens count. There are 4 tens, which means there are 40, and there are 6 in the ones. This one, we're looking at the tens. There's 2 tens. 2 tens is the same as 20, and then there's 8 in the ones, because 40 plus 6 gives you 46, 20 plus 8 gives you 28. Now you're going to multiply by the boxes. 40 times 20, you're going to multiply for this one. So 4 times 2 is 8, and we add the 2 zeros. So we get 800. For this box, it's going to be 8 times 40. 4 times 8 is 32. We add the 0. For this box, we're doing 20 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. We're going to add the 0. And this box right here is 6 times 8, which is 48. And then what you have to do is just add them together. So you're going to rewrite the numbers. So you have 800. Make sure they're lined up correctly. 320, 120, and 48. And then we just add going vertical. So that's going to be 8. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 1 is 12. So it's 1,288. Again, all I really did was took 46 and broke it into 40 plus 6. 28 is 20 plus 8. And then you're just multiplying where the two numbers meet. So 20 and 40 meet here. 40 and 8 meet there. 20 and 6 meet here. And 6 and 8 meet there. We'll do one more example of this. Hopefully this is going to help a little bit. So the next problem on slide 3 is, actually this is slide 4, is 39 times 92. So again, I'm going to make a rectangle and split them based on their place value. 3 tens is the same as 30, and that is in the ones column is a 9, because 30 plus 9 gives you 39. Then you're going to look at this. 92 we could break down in expanded form would be 90 plus 2, or we have 9 in the 10 columns. 9 times 10 is 90, and you put down the 2. So that's how you start it off. And then you're just going to multiply based on the squares. 30 times 90. 3 times 9 is 27. Add the 2 zeros. 2,700. This box is going to be 2 times 30. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the 0. So 30 times 2 is 60. Down here we have 90 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. And add the 0. So that's 810. And then this one is going to be 2 times 9, which is 18. And then again, we just write down the problem. So write down all these same boxes. 2,700, 60, make sure we're lining them up. 810 and 18. And add those together, we get 8. 6 plus 1 is 8. And here we get 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry the 1. We get an answer of 3,588. So 39 was 30 plus 9. 92 is 90 plus 2. And then we're just multiplying where the difference, where this number on this side and the number on top meet. And then we just add them together. Hopefully this helps. Please let me know if you have any more questions. Thanks for listening. Good luck.